So today we're going to try to make this Subaru WRX shifter knob a little bit better. We're going to change it to a ball, and we're going to try to drop it down lower, just so it's a short throw shifter. So we're going to use the cheapest one I could find from China, this $10 shifter ball. Very simple. It doesn't weigh much, but you can tell it's solid. It's very solid. It seems very durable. It seems of decent quality anyways, and it's got the correct shift pattern on it. So first what we're going to need to do is remove the knob, turning it off, and then the console piece here, it lifts up right here and pops off. Okay, now that is removed, now we're ready to install the shifter ball here. Now what I'm noticing here is that we've got a lot of thread, and the ball will only sink down so far, so it's going to be sitting up around here, which keeps it almost the same height really as what the old one was, so it doesn't really make it a short throw. So what I'm simply going to do is remove about half of the thread, very simply. So we'll take off about half, and now the ball can sit down here, which would be much lower. Now we're also going to have one other issue, is the old shift knob had this lip here to hold the boot up. So I'm going to use a rubber grommet that is going to sit right on here, and that lip is going to hold the boot up. So now I'll put this back on here. Move it back there so it's easier, and I'll connect the wiring after, just to show this for the video here. So now we'll find the hole there, and there we go, and then this just pops in down here. There, that's in there. Now see, that piece of rubber is holding the boot up. So now we take our ball, we thread it on, it's hard to do with one hand. There we go. Now we straighten the boot out a little bit, get it down, sitting low where it's supposed to be. And now that is way shorter of a shifter than we originally had. Now the point of a short throw is that if it was up taller here, like right up here where where it used to sit was right about here, that's how it used to sit, you are physically moving the shifter further to get it into the gears, because you've got basically just the shaft of it is longer, so it's just the straight up physics of it. You're moving it further to get into each gear. Now with it being shorter, you're not moving it nearly as far, which means that you can shift quicker, and I find it's just more comfortable. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.